Hi, this is Mike welcoming you to the free app that pays you to use it. Download it today. There's links below the video. Thank you. Hi, this is Mike. I'm welcoming you to my little YouTube video pertaining to a new program I've come across called Tapestri. It's your data. You should get paid for it. It's a free app you can download, and when you're using your phone, people are taking your data, making money off of it. Well, this program here takes your data and you make money off of it. I will show you a couple of pages here. Here's a page you would get if you sign up. It has a 1-minute intro, how to earn, lots of sell data can pay you. It's your data. You should get paid for it. As an affiliate program, which right now costs you $9.95 for 1 year. You don't have to sign up for the affiliate to get paid. You get paid for using your data. There's a video here. You don't need a new phone. You don't need to switch phone companies. You don't need to do anything but sign up today. Here's a sign up sheet. This is what you would get with your information, your URL. People sign up under you. And here is just a brief picture of the back office. What you would get tells you all kinds of subscriptions, commissions, reports, generally about everything you get with any affiliate type program. You get replicated website links, and you would get a website like this one, made by me. Anyway, it's something you might want to look into. It costs you nothing, and you only have everything to gain. So sign up today and get started. This is Mike from Tapestri signing off.